how to use a scan tool to diagnose your check engine light. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So if you have a check engine light in your car and you want to see why it's on, first thing you'll need is a code reader, and you need to find the OBD2 port, which should be somewhere underneath the driver's steering wheel. And in this car, it is right here. So you just plug in like that. And you need to turn the car to the on position. You don't start it, but just turn it to the on position. Now we see it's active. Press read, and there's our code, P2097. So once you have your code, you're going to want to research it so you can find out why it's on. So once you have the code, just look it up in Google. As you can see here, I typed in P2097. And I like to use the site yourmechanic.com. So I'm going to click there. And when you scroll, it gives you the definition of the code, tells you what it means. It gives you causes, symptoms, and the best part is here. What repairs can fix the P2097 code? So this is a great website to give you the definition of the code, what causes it, and potential fixes. I'm going to go ahead and clear it for now. So press and hold erase. Then press and hold it again. And it says done. So now the code is cleared. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.